Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to open your HMRC online account. Now, if you don't have your account yet, all you need to do is to go ahead and create a new one. So each personnel is eligible to open up their own HMRC online account whenever you pay some form of tax. So for us to go ahead and open our account, all we need to do is to go and open up our browser. Any browser will do, and then just go ahead and search up HMRC online account. Then it's usually the first one right here, or we can go ahead and open up the HMRC online services. So go ahead and click on this. This will take you to the gov.uk website, or we can go ahead and sign in. Or if you want to go ahead and open up a new account, then there is this section here where we can click on the link, set up an account. So go right on ahead and click on this. Now with this page right here, this will give you an idea as to who these accounts are for. So these are for your individual accounts, organization accounts, accounts for agents itself. And if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to see this section right here, or this link, set up an account. So go ahead and click on this. And now this will go ahead and ask you to sign in using your government gateway. But if you don't know your government gateway, then we can just go ahead and click on this right here, where we can go ahead and create a new user for the government gateway. So go ahead and click on this right here and go ahead and just add in your email address. So again, this is just for recovery of your account. So go right on ahead and add in your email and then click on continue. Now this will go ahead and send a code to the email itself. So just go ahead and open up your email and then locate the confirmation code and then paste it in. Go ahead and click on confirm. And then it will go ahead and ask for your full name. So this full name of yours has to be the one that is in your passport or any form of documentation. And then just click on continue. Then just go ahead and create your password. And then click on continue, and then you should be able to see your government gateway user ID. So just go ahead and copy this and then click on continue. Now you're able to go ahead and choose the type of account that you'll be opening. So say, for example, if this is for an individual or an organization or a tax agent, go ahead and choose the type of account that is connected to yours and then click on continue. And then you need to set up an additional code. So you can go ahead and choose either text message, voice call, or authenticator app for your smartphone or tablet. Now you will need to go ahead and fill in your identification. So this will be your personal details like your name, your date of birth, your national insurance number, and your postcode. And then once that you're completed with this, go ahead and click on continue, and then this will go ahead and check your identity, where you will need to go ahead and supply other forms of documentation as well. So this could be your passport number or even your driving ID details, and then just go ahead and continue with all of this, and eventually you'll be able to go ahead and create your online account. Now once that you have your documentations connected, or you've set up your account, you can go ahead and go back here and search up again HMRC online account, click on online services, and now you can go ahead and sign into your HMRC account using your gateway ID and your password. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.